कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. With my body, my speech, my mind or my sense organs, through my intellect, my sense of self or my natural tendencies, whatever actions I perform, all of it is towards the Supreme Being. By saying Narayanaya, I submit my offering. Om Namo Narayanaaya. अत्रेः पुत्रतया पुरा त्वमनसूयायां हि दत्ताभिधो जातः शिष्यनिबन्धतन्द्रितमना स्वस्थश्चरन् कान्तया दृष्टो भक्ततमेन हे हयमहीपालेन तस्मै वरान् अष्टैश्वर्यमुखान् प्रदाय ददिथ स्वेनैव चान्ते वधम्. Long ago, as the son of Atri and Anasuya, you were born by the name of Dattatreya. Getting vexed by the continuous questions of your disciples, you left along with your wife to wander peacefully. Having been cited by your greatest devotee, the king of Hehaya, by the name Kartavirya Arjuna, you granted him boons, the 8 great siddhis, and also the fortune of finding death at your hands. Satyam kartumatharjunasya chavaram tachaktimatranatam brahmadveshitadakhilan nripakulam hantuncha bhumirbharam sanjato jamadagnito bhrugukule त्वं रेणुकायां हरे रामो नाम तदात्मजेष्ववरजः पित्रोरधा सम्मदम्. To fulfill Kartavirya Arjuna's boon, as the one who bowed down only to his prowess, in order to slay all unrighteous kings and to reduce the weight on earth, you were born to Jamadagni in the lineage of Bhrigu and to Renuka, O Hari. By the name of Rama, as the youngest among his sons, you brought great delight to your parents. Labdham naya ganaschaturdaşavaya gandharvaraje manag asaktankila mataram pratipito krodhakulasyagnaya tatagnyati gasodarai samamimam छित्वाथ शान्तात् पितो तेषां जीवनयोगमापिथ वरं माता च ते दाद्वरान्. Gaining the knowledge of the Vedas by the age of 14, in the king of Gandharvas, as a little fondness was shown by your mother, as your father gave an order in rage, your brothers who disobeyed his order, and your mother, as you cut down, and as your father was pacified, you sought bringing them back to life as your only boon, and then obtained more boons from your mother as well. Pitra matra mridestava hritaviyadhenor nijadashramat prasthayatha bhrugor gira himagira varadhya gauripatim लब्ध्वा तत्परशुन्तदुक्तदनुजच्छेदि महास्त्रादिकं प्राप्तो मित्रमथाकृतव्रणमुनिं प्राप्यागमस्वाश्रमम्. Then your father, in order to please your mother, brought down the celestial curve through prayer. You then left your ashrama, leaving upon Bhrugu's words to Himalayas, and worshipping Lord Shiva, obtaining that famed axe, cutting down the asuras mentioned by him, You obtained other great astras as well. You begot as a friend sage Akritavrana and then went back to your ashrama. Akheṭopagatorjunah suragavi samprapta sampadganai tvatpitra paripujitah puragato durmantri vacha puna gankretun sachivanyayunkta kudhiya tenapi rundhan muni pranakshepa sarosha gohata chamu chakrena vatsohrita. Coming back from a hunt, Kartavirya Arjuna, through the riches bestowed by the celestial cow, by your father he was worshipped well and went back to his city. Once again, by the words of his evil minister, to buy the cow, he employed an emissary. As your father, the sage, obstructed them, he was killed, and in turn their entire army was killed by the angered cow, but its calf got stolen. Shukro jivita tata vakya chalita krodhotha sakhya samam bibhradhyata mahodaropanihitam chapankutharan sharan arudha sahavahayantra karatham mahishmati mavishan vagbhirvatsamadashu shikshiti patau samprastutha sangaram. As Shukracharya brought your father back to life, upon hearing his words and getting enraged, along with your friend, you performed a great penance on Mahodara, obtaining a bow, a battle axe, and arrows. Mounting a chariot with horses and a charioteer, you entered that kingdom of Mahishmati, tried to get back the calf with words, but when the king didn't relent, you started a war. Putrāṇāmayutena saptadashabhischakshaurhinibhirmahāsenānibhiranekamitranivahairvyajrumbhitayodhana sadyastvatakuṭhārabaṇavidalan nisheshasainyōtkaro भीतिप्रद्रुत नष्टशिष्टतनयस्त्वामापतथेहयः. Against 10,000 sons and 17 Akshauhinis of armies, great commanders and numerous allies, you fought a fierce battle alone. Quickly with your axe and your arrows, as you destroyed the entire army, left with no one alive but a few sons who had already fled in fear, the king of Hehaya attacked you. Leela varita narmada jalavalal lankesha garvapah shrimad bahu sahasra mukta bahushastrastran nirundhannamum chakre tvayatha vaishnavepi vipale buddhva harintvam muda ध्यायन्तञ्छित सर्वदोषमवधि सोगात्परन्ते padam. This king, who once effortlessly diverted the flow of Narmada waters, quelling the pride of the king of Lanka, as he flung with his 1,000 arms various kinds of shastras and astras, as you blocked all of them, as even the chakra of Vishnu went useless against you, realizing joyously that your Hari himself, as he meditated upon you, being purified of all sins, you slayed him. He then attained to that ultimate abode of yours. Bhuyo marshita he hayatma jaganai state hate renukam aghnanam hridayan nirikshya bahusho घोरां प्रतिज्ञां वहन् ध्यानानीतरथायुधस्त्वमकृथा विप्रद्रुहः क्षत्रियान् दिक्चक्रेषु कुठारयन् विशिखयन् निःक्षत्रियां मेदिनीम्. Once again, the angered sons of the king of Hehaya, as they killed your father, as Renuka, your mother, was beating her chest in sorrow, looking at her and taking a terrible pledge, through meditation, you manifested a chariot and weapons. The Brahmana-hating Kshatriyas in all directions, cutting them down with your axe, you made the entire earth devoid of Kshatriyas. Tato jivana krindripalakakulam trisaptakritvo jayan santarpyatha samanta panchakamaha rakta hridaughe pitrum yajñe kshmamapi kashyapadishu dishan salvena yudhyan puna krishno mumniha nishyatiti shamito yuddhat kumarair bhavan. Reviving your father again, defeating the lineage of kings 21 times, offering Tarpana in the great bloody lake called Samanta Panchaka to your ancestors, bestowing the earth in Yajna to Kashyapa and others, once again going to battle with Salva. Krishna is going to slay him in the future. As Sanat Kumara said thus, then you were pacified. Nyasyastrani mahendra bhubhrati tapastanvan punarmajjitam gokarnavadhi sagarena dharanin drushtvarthitastapasaihe dhyateshvasadhrutanalastra-chakitam sindhun sruvakshepanat utsaryodhrutakeralo bhrugupate vatesha samrakshamam. Placing down all astras upon the Mahendra mountain, performing penance, and then that which was submerged until Gokarna by the ocean, looking at that land and requested by the sages, the ocean, which was also frightened by you when you wielded the Agneya Astra, by throwing Sruva into it and pushing it back, you brought out the land of Kerala. O Bhrugupati, O Lord of Wind, protect me.